Hello?
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 I'm returning your phone call.
I called you?
My phone's saying I've gotten 5 calls from you.
5 calls. I've never seen this number before.
I don't know who in the hell's doing this fucking bullshit, but it's not me.
Oh. Alright, I've never seen this number before. I don't know how I called you.
No, you called me 3 times.
Alright, I said I'd never seen it before. I don't know how that happened. I apologize. I never seen it.
My God, you just called me 3 damn times.
Sir, I've never seen this number before. I'm gonna hang up now.
I don't do carvings.
Hello?
I don't know.
I said I didn't call.
You're not listening to me. I don't work on monuments.
Why are you calling me back?
I'm not working on no monument.
Why are you calling me?
I'm not a chicken shit like you.
Why the fuck are you calling me?
Well, it's got your number in there, and that's the reason why I'm calling you back.
Right, but I said I didn't call your number. We resolved that. So why are you calling me back?
Well, I'd appreciate it if you never call me again at this hour of the morning.
Man, I didn't call your fucking number anyway.
Go fuck yourself.
You don't want to call me, you punk ass bitch. Don't call
Take heed, bitch.